YouTube Wagwan, man, you know it's your boy Clicked, and I'm back with another video for you guys. Today's video comes from The Cut. It's titled Moms Guess Who's High. I don't know if you guys see my other video about dads guessing who's high, but that shit was funny as hell. If you haven't seen that, you can go run that up, man. It's still up. But yeah, man, that's what we're gonna be doing today. I think with parents, they always believe they know their kids and they think they can guess, oh, when they're going through this or when they're this or that. And it's not the case, as you will probably learn today, man. If you guys are new to the channel, please don't forget to hit subscribe, man, and turn on post notifications. Drop a like, comment. Let me know what you think. Do you think you would be able to guess if your kids are high? And as usual, man, we're just going to get right into it, man. Appreciate you guys for watching. Peace. This
See,
guy's
if you
high.
wasn't high, you would have been like, yeah, I'm Dante. But you said, Dante.
Huh?
So I know a high person when I see me one.
I am a mom of two, a 22-year-old and an 18-year-old.
26
Okay.
and a 17-year-old.
6 kids.
I think she's going to get the most
I'm
right.
pretty sure partake in marijuana.
What's
Mary
your
Joanna.
relationship around your kids and marijuana?
I did do random drug tests in my house.
What? Who has time to
If
do
you
that?
got enough money to smoke weed, you got enough money to pay bills.
Your
Oh, wow.
Youngest. When do you think
She's
it's
strict.
okay to smoke?
When he's out of my fucking house.
Oh my god.
The dead giveaway somebody's high.
The Doritos are missing.
Red
This
eyes.
girl said Doritos.
Still laugh just for
Okay, so
any
she's gonna be
stupid
mid.
reason.
Some
The
people
black
really
mom's gonna
chill.
no,
Like, are you
and
alive?
the white mom,
Soft,
she ain't gonna
chill.
really know.
Have you ever caught your kids smoking?
Yes, I was pulling out of the driveway and saw a plume come out of one of their bedrooms.
A what?
So I went upstairs and had a little chat.
A plume?
Let's bring the first person in.
Gosh, you look fabulous.
Well, thank you.
Can I have you put your arms out and spin in a couple of circles?
Hi.
More?
No, you're good.
What is your favorite chips?
I like Cheez-Its, Goldfish.
Let's get Curtis and
Hi.
Curtis.
Can you just eat a couple?
Eat a couple?
Yes.
This guy's stupid. I was trying to throw them off the scent.
What do you do for a living?
Right now, nothing, but I was a bar manager.
He smokes weed.
Because pandemic, I've been off for a year.
Smokes weed.
He's high right now.
If you're not doing nothing,
This is the only way to tolerate that amount of time unemployed.
yeah.
I just have to say yes.
He's high.
Cat Williams said it before, man. If you ain't doing nothing with your life and you're not smoking weed, I don't know what the fuck you doing, man.
Are you high?
I'm fucking high.
Ka-choo!
I cannot even deal with this situation. This is next level.
Do you smoke weed for anxiety?
It helps, yeah.
It
if
helps.
I take it at night, it just kind of relaxes me, calms me down.
Okay, well that's good. That
Like,
it's
even look
helping
how
you.
Alright.
he's moving his hands and shit.
I'm gonna chill out for a bit.
Ooh, I love your sweater. It looks like you could just bite me.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, you have a blue eyeliner to match. I'm just really into the color coordination.
She's very observant. Might say that she's high.
Lunch yesterday.
I had some pickles, some dates, and almond butter.
What the fuck kind of lunch is that, ma'am? I think she's high.
8 Satsuma oranges.
How does she remember this shit?
Do you do other drugs?
I do Adderall every day.
Oh, that makes sense.
I've taken Adderall twice today.
Okay,
Yeah.
it helps you kind of focus.
Absolutely, and it has made
That's why she can
enormous
remember.
difference
That's why she can remember all that shit, because that was a little bit creepy.
in my life.
What you do, Anya?
I work in retail, and I am a professional competitive Irish dancer.
Hey, can you just
What the fuck? I didn't even know that was a thing.
show us like a move? I mean,
Ah,
Yeah, what do you think?
she's not high.
high.
I'm gonna say that you like to take your Adderall and you like to mix it with a puff or two.
Oh, really?
when you're high right now.
I think she is high.
She
because
do
when I
seem
asked
like
her
she's
about
high.
lunch
I'm gonna go with she's high.
yesterday, She went on and on.
Are you high?
No.
No.
You see, I should have stuck with the no. Yeah, because she was dancing so coordinated, I was like, there's no way. She didn't even stumble a bit.
Do you smoke
It's the
pot?
Adderall that makes her seem like, something's
I
up.
would say it would be a very rare occurrence. I just try to only put air in my lungs.
I gotcha. Thank
I like
you.
that.
Nice meeting you.
Don't try to throw me off with the suit. Don't try to throw me off.
His eyes are a little swollen. I'm gonna go with this guy. Is high.
In his mind, he said Dante.
Yeah.
But when it came out, it was sloppy, and it was
Yeah.
like Dante.
What would you typically do on a Friday or Saturday night?
I'd be
Eat
hosting
pizza.
a comedy show somewhere.
Oh,
I used to do
okay.
comedy.
Okay.
I can see the dry humor
And
there.
that's what your occupation is?
Yep.
Yeah. Your eyes are very closed.
That's what I noticed.
Yeah.
That is what I noticed.
She didn't even give me a chance. Ask some questions.
And he looks like he's
I can do
pasty, man.
math, I can do a whole bunch of things.
I think you are high.
I'm higher than Kaya. This is me. You gotta understand. I'm always fucking high.
Is that true? You're always high?
For the most part, I mean, I've got a master's degree. A lot of people think it stops you or it makes you lazy. Or
No, it doesn't.
Any of that.
Listen, man, drugs only amplifies whatever the hell you are. I'm not gonna be speaking about all drugs. I don't know nothing about other than weed. But if you're lazy and you smoke weed, best believe you're gonna be much more lazy. Obviously, it makes you feel that little chills, sit back and chill out vibe. But if you want to go and get stuff done, because growing up in Jamaica, I've seen these mans working on construction sites, building houses, mixing cement. Spliff is in their mouth hanging off, and they're lighting that shit. And they keep going. You know what I mean? So it just depends on your personality.
And it just depends on your personality. When I
Huh?
try to take other medications, they can take you left, they can take you right.
100%.
Make you suicidal. But I'm not trying to kill myself, you know what I mean? I'm not
Yo, this guy is funny, bro. I'm not trying to kill myself. You know what I mean?
out people.
It saves a lot of other people's lives, probably.
100%.
People who smoke like that, when they don't they get a little bit.
Nah.
Thank you, man.
Thank
You have
you.
a good day.
I'm Jamie.
Hi. This is gonna be hard.
Jimmy's not high.
Because she looks like super like nice,
Put together.
like well dressed.
Studious.
Putting on her little like holier than thou with a little punk twist.
My mom outfit.
It's her mom outfit, but she has blue hair.
Just trying to vibe.
She said the word
Trying to vibe.
vibe. You know who says
I'm
the word
dying.
vibe? People who smoke weed.
Really? Just guilty by association?
It's kind of how it works.
That's a mom thing. She's a mom. What do your instincts say?
I'll
I don't think she's
say
high.
that you're high.
Why would you say that?
See your body language. See how she puts the arms back.
Your eyes look a little red. You're a sativa girl. So she is high right now.
I'm saying no.
She likes
Oh, wow,
to
she is
smoke
high.
the weed and likes to vibe.
You got me.
What do you get
Wow.
high?
Mostly for relaxation. It helps with pain as well. I'm in the food service industry, so the second I'm not cooking, I'm ready to relax.
I hear that.
Thank you.
So how are
You
you
see,
today?
can't always tell. Did she guess it? I don't know if this lady
What
goes.
you had for lunch
Got it.
yesterday?
No.
Oh, he's high.
He's laughing a lot. Maybe he's high.
Okay.
Did you like to smoke weed?
I did like it.
Did you used to do acid too?
Yes.
Psychedelics?
Yes. This society that we were in, everyone smoked and drank, and if you ever got a chance to get some blow, you did that. And loads of people would
Blow.
treat me. They liked me a lot.
Wow. I think you're high because you're kind of brain's going in all sorts of different directions.
I haven't been high for 28 years.
Oh shit.
Will you be curious to try again when you retire or something?
I don't know.
See, you try the good stuff. You have good memories.
He's tried it all.
Can you tell me why you're laughing?
I'm like,
so
I got
much?
wrong.
You're very entertaining.
I got two
all
wrong.
these lights and all this attention. Oh,
It's true.
He's not high, and that's how he moves.
That weed did some permanent damage.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
it made you jolly and happy. I'm loving that. But
It sure can.
I'm Jody. Who are you?
I'm Rob.
Okay, so tell me, if you could have the choice of anything to eat.
His
right
eyes
now,
look
what would it
clear.
be?
It would probably be an orange.
Do you have an orange?
you like to drink?
On occasion. It's a mood. It could be a vibe.
I don't think he's high.
I'm here for it.
Vibe. Hey, look at
How
her.
does it taste?
Juicy, citrus, really, really tart right now.
Okay.
But it's everything I wanted it to be.
I think he's not high.
I'm gonna say no.
Why do you not believe I'm high right now?
The body language isn't what I would expect. Am I right?
You are not. I'm very high right now.
Once he described what that orange was tasted like, I thought he was high. That's what I thought he wasn't high before that, but I should have changed my mind because as soon as he said citrusy and he was like detailed, that's how it is when you're high with food, right? You taste, you notice everything. Your sensory receptors are up.
Shut the front door!
Oh yeah, I've been smoking all day. Thanks for the suggestion about the orange. I was so into that.
How often do you smoke?
Every day.
Well, that's why. When the tolerance level is
Yeah,
here, you just,
I mean,
that
he's
is
probably
your
used to it.
norm.
Why do you smoke?
I was on a lot of antidepressant, mood stabilizers, but then I moved here, got a new doctor. They suggested, why don't you try the natural side? And it has worked for me, absolutely.
Do you feel like you smoke too much?
Maybe. I don't know.
Does your mother say you?
I mean, why? I don't think you could say that about him because you didn't guess that he smoked too much, that he was even high, right? So obviously it doesn't affect him.
I don't talk to my mother, so.
I feel you. Next time, my friend, next time.
We'll meet again.
Hi. What's your name?
Sav.
Is that short for something?
Severa.
See,
Severe?
little clip
I've
on her feet,
never
little clip
heard.
on her feet.
Can you like stand in one leg? And let's count to 10, 9. Well, maybe she doesn't have that good of a balance.
Balance, yeah, that's not a
Can you
good
take your
test.
glasses off for me, please?
She kind of looks high.
Yes. I'm gonna say yes. Are you stoned?
No,
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna say that you are not high.
I
Wow.
am not.
I feel like if I was there in person, it would be a little easier.
You want to roll today?
Pun intended. I'm on a roll today.
Look on your feet.
Because I don't smoke.
I see.
You see what we did there?
I see.
Uh-huh.
Nice to meet you.
She's
Did you have
funny.
a good day?
See how good I am?
I did say she was gonna be the best.
Nice to meet you.
She looks high.
For a living, Amaya.
I'm a computer programmer.
Is that a job that somebody could do high? Not saying that
Yeah.
you would, but
Yeah, a lot of people can't get high in code, and it's quite nice, like from personal experience.
she just admitted to smoking weed.
No, I said oh fuck.
Do you hang around friends that smoke?
Yeah.
What are the different forms that weed come in?
They have it in cookie form, brown.
She's high right now.
Yeah.
She's high right now.
cookie. I'm high.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
That's
you
not.
are.
Once she came
You're
in
a
and
good person.
Okay, tell that to my kids.
Wait,
Yo,
how many do you have?
6. Try not to have any.
No, I don't think I should.
Yeah, they're gonna run. Over
she
you.
seems like an anxious,
You're welcome.
an anxious girl.
Weed.
Weed.
You've seen a lot of different uses for it today.
I did. I see people who've taken it, who love it, and people who need it.
When is it okay for somebody to start smoking weed?
My kid has to be at least 18.
You have to have certain maturity to know.
Because the fact is, like, if you start doing anything too early, if you start introducing chemicals to your body too early, your body stops to produce certain things. And like, I used to smoke weed a long time ago, and all of a sudden it started giving me panic attacks, right? But I started smoking like when I was 12 years old, so that was kind of wild.
The time, the moment where you should be high.
Have you ever gotten high?
No.
18, man.
Oh,
18 is
yeah.
good.
I did. One hit. I hated it, but I do like CBD gummies at night, so I
Really?
can have a good sleep.
I could probably count on my hands how many times I've smoked. It's never a good experience for me. Except once. This one time I was in
She
the car.
seems like a control freak, and I think once you are the type of person that wants to be in control of yourself and everything, weed is not going to do it for you. Because the moment you're like, oh, let me relax, or you're like, oh, I don't want to be high anymore, that's when that panic will set in, man. That's when you start to trip.
Great. I don't know what it was, but it was great.
What's the draw to marijuana?
Oh my
But I
gosh.
do love the
I have
smell.
to say,
Even
back
to
in the
this day.
There were no worries, no cares.
Back
Your
in the
brain
day.
stopped moving for a little while. It's pretty nice to just get to chill.
Of course, of course, of course.
And Doritos and cheese dip were pretty good.
Big up my weed smokers, y'all.